Embracing the future of farming, the promise of regenerative agriculture. Agriculture has been the backbone of human civilization for millennia, feeding our growing populations and fueling economies. However, traditional farming practices have often led to soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, and significant carbon emissions. Enter regenerative agriculture, a farming philosophy that promises to heal the land, sequester carbon, and create a more sustainable future for food production. What is regenerative agriculture? Regenerative agriculture is a holistic land management practice that aims to improve soil health, restore ecosystems, and enhance biodiversity. Unlike conventional farming, which often focuses on maximizing short-term yields through intensive use of synthetic inputs, regenerative agriculture seeks to work in harmony with nature to create long-term resilience and productivity. Key practices of regenerative agriculture. 1. Cover cropping. Planting cover crops such as clover or rye during off-seasons protects the soil from erosion, enhances water retention, and adds organic matter back into the soil. 2. No-till farming. Avoiding plowing and tilling helps maintain soil structure, reduce erosion, and increase water infiltration. This practice also promotes a thriving soil microbiome, crucial for plant health. 3. Crop rotation and diversity. Rotating different crops and planting diverse species can break pest and disease cycles, improve soil fertility, and reduce dependency on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. 4. Agroforestry. Integrating trees and shrubs into agricultural landscapes not only provides habitat for wildlife, but also stabilizes the soil, enhances nutrient cycling, and sequesters carbon. 5. Holistic grazing management. Managing livestock grazing patterns to mimic natural grazing behaviors can improve pasture health, enhance soil fertility, and increase biodiversity. 6. Composting and organic amendments. Utilizing compost and other organic matter enriches the soil, boosts microbial activity, and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. The benefits of regenerative agriculture. 1. Soil health and fertility. Healthy soil is the foundation of productive farming. Regenerative practices enhance soil structure, increase organic matter, and promote a vibrant microbial ecosystem. This leads to higher fertility and better water retention, making farms more resilient to droughts and heavy rains. 2. Carbon sequestration. One of the most significant benefits of regenerative agriculture is its potential to mitigate climate change. Healthy soils can capture and store substantial amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, turning farms into carbon sinks. 3. Biodiversity. By fostering a diverse range of plants, animals, and microorganisms, regenerative agriculture enhances ecosystem services such as pollination, pest control, and nutrient cycling. This biodiversity also makes farms more resilient to environmental stresses and market fluctuations. 4. Economic resilience. Farmers who adopt regenerative practices often see reductions in input costs over time as they rely less on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Improved soil health also leads to better yields and higher quality produce, which can command premium prices. 5. Community and ecosystem health. Regenerative agriculture promotes cleaner water and air by reducing runoff and chemical use. Healthier farms lead to healthier communities, with improved food security and stronger local economies. The future of regenerative agriculture. As awareness of environmental issues grows, so does interest in regenerative agriculture. Governments, NGOs, and private sector companies are increasingly investing in research, education, and policy frameworks to support regenerative practices. Innovative technologies, such as precision farming and advanced soil health monitoring, are also emerging to enhance the effectiveness and scalability of regenerative methods. Consumer demand for sustainably produced food is rising, driving more farmers to adopt regenerative principles. Certification programs and labels that recognize regenerative practices help consumers make informed choices, further fueling the shift towards sustainable agriculture. The future of regenerative agriculture is bright, with the potential to transform our food systems into resilient, climate-smart networks that sustain both people and the planet. By embracing regenerative practices, we can build a future where farming not only feeds us but also heals our world. In summary, regenerative agriculture represents a powerful paradigm shift towards sustainability. It holds the promise of rejuvenating our soils, sequestering carbon, fostering biodiversity, and supporting resilient economies. As more stakeholders embrace this approach, we can look forward to a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with